So for the next part, from time 8 to 17 seconds, all the background and text must be removed, and the video clip TPT underscore, which we saved earlier, must start at that 8-second mark. So all we're going to do is import the TPT file at the 8-second mark. So we're going to import the TPT video file. So we're going to go to import media, and we have to look for that file that we made, and it's TPT, and we click on open. And then we're just going to scroll across, and we're going to drag it and place it after our image. So TPT, place it here. And now we go to the next instruction. So the next part, from the 17-second mark up to the 21-second mark, the background image 20-newbus.jpg cropped to remove the top of the image that is 1080 pixels high must be shown during this duration. So firstly, we have to crop this image. So we're going to go and find this image. So here it is over here, new bus. And what we do is we right click and we're going to go down to open with and then choose Microsoft Office 2010. This is Picture Manager. Once it opens, we're going to go to edit pictures and then we're going to select crop. And you can see now that the original dimensions are here, 1920 by 1237, and we need to crop off the top of the image so that it is 1080 pixels high. So as we crop off the top of this image, you're going to see that the new dimension for the height is going to change. So we're just going to crop it off so that this value over here becomes 1080. So keep going. And there we go. You can also use this little box over here if you want to increase or decrease what you are cropping off. So for example, if you increase how much you're taking off from the top, you'll notice that the pixels will decrease here. But we need it to be 1080. And then what we do is we say OK. And then we go File and then Save As. And then just to indicate that this is the crop version, I'm just going to type in cropped and save. So now going back to Clipchamp, we're going to go to import media and we're going to import that file that we have just cropped. So open. And then we're going to place it after the video. So we're going to drag it and drop. And we need to ensure that this image continues up to the 21-second mark. So I'm going to make this 2100 to get exact. And I'm going to trim off the end of this image up to the 21-second mark. Now the next instruction. So at the 21-second mark, we have to place the image 20-oldbus.jpg. So we go back to Clipchamp, going to click on Import Media, and we're going to select the file that we need. So old bus and open. So I'm going to drag it in and drop it into the timeline. And according to the instruction, this image must be displayed from 21 seconds up to 23 seconds. So it's got to be 2 seconds in duration. So up to 23 seconds, so I'm just going to change this to 2300, hit enter, and then trim off the end so that this image is displayed from 21 seconds to 23 seconds. Then next, from 23 seconds to 25 seconds, we have to place the image 20-bike.jpg. So import media, select our image, click on open. I'm going to drag it into the video. And now make sure that it is displayed from the 23-second mark to the 25-second mark. So starts at 23 seconds. So I'm going to type in 2500, hit enter, and then trim off the end so that it ends exactly at the 25-second mark. And at the 25-second mark, the video TBC underscore will start playing. Then now we go to import media. And now we go down to our video and select it, TBC underscore, click open. And we're going to drag it to be after this image. And it has to play up until the 29-second mark. So we just make sure that is happening. So just to get it exact, so it's 25 at the moment. So it's starting at the 25-second mark. We need it to be displayed up until the 29-second mark. Hit enter. And you can see more or less that is what's happening. And now at the 29-second mark, the still image TVC1 must be displayed as a background until the end of your video. So import media, TVC1, click open. I'm going to drag it to be after the video. And they don't give you a duration for this image, so we can leave it as is, or you can trim it off a little bit if you think it's a bit too long, but it's up to you.